Here at Cranbourne Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bungarong, with people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing about Australia fair.
Hello everyone, well it's Mrs Wrigley here again this week with the Principal's Report while Mr Rolfe is still away, and we are really looking forward to welcoming him back soon and hearing all about his exciting travels. Well, this week I would like to start off with congratulating all of our staff and students for their fantastic work with our evacuation and lockdown rehearsals that we've conducted this week. They are an important part of our safety practices here at school, and I was really impressed to see how quickly and efficiently everybody followed all of the instructions and was able to carry out those drills really effectively. So well done everyone. Now we've got some exciting events coming up in the next couple of weeks here at school. Next week we have our Mother's Day stall, and we are looking forward to being able to see what is on offer at the stall that you can pick up for your mum or special someone that you would like to buy for next week. So don't forget to bring along your money on Friday next week for our Mother's Day stall. The week after our Mother's Day stall, on the Friday, we have our Colour Explosion Fun Run. I know everyone is very excited about that, and I hope everyone has been fundraising really hard, trying to raise as much money as we can for our school so that we can purchase extra laptops for our students and get yourself some very cool prizes while you are at it. So have a great week everybody, and try and stay dry in this wet weather that we're having. Bye now.
WPBS goal for next week is keep our bodies to ourselves.
Well, stop. You need to keep your bodies to yourself. Okay. Yeah.
Let's try that again. Excuse me, can I order?
Hello. Well, it's our favourite time of the week. It's time for a joke. We need to have a bit of a laugh. Here we go. Why do fish live in salt water? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work it out. Okay. Why do fish live in salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze. I hope you liked that one. Hope you all had a little bit of a giggle, and I look forward to seeing you all again next week. Bye.
If you want to buy a mega cup with the holes, then you're probably making one of the best decisions in your whole life. Prices have dropped from $45 to $44.99. There's a sale for the next 30 days. Imagine trying to fill up one cup at a time instead of filling up 5. Also, if there are no returns or refunds, but I bet you'll only be returning us a thank you. Mega cup with holes, buy it now on sale. Bye.
Hey, that, it was my awesome balloon. Now you probably think, oh, what can you do with this? Well, actually, heaps. Reason number 1. You can fix it however you want because it has holes and you're allowed to sticky tape it, stretch it, try and blow the balloon, whatever you want. Her, she loves it. But anyway, reason number 2. It cures your boredom because it's really fun. You gotta listen to this girl. She knows all about it. Last but not least, reason number 3. Blue is a very cool color, right? And it just so happens for this balloon to be blue. Yep. Now only $12.99. Used to be $13 at useless.com.au. Get it today. Sale on Sunday. Bye, friends.